We'll hang around and I'll show you how to make a rivet nut insert tool using an old file. Well, hello guys, and this is Rusty Glovebox, and what we're going to talk about today is installing these little rivet nuts or nutserts, whatever you like to call them. It's a little small crushable nut that you drill a hole in, and it kind of crushes like a pop rivet. But anyway, I'll be using this little 4-in-1 rasp to make my tool to install it. What I'll do is I'll drill a hole in this. I'll put a little flat spot on the real aggressive side of the rasp, and that way it will allow us to put our bolt in. And the serrated edges on this rasp, it will grab the surface of this little nutsert and keep it from spinning while we're trying to tighten it down and crush it. My nutserts, they measure 3/8 of an inch, and yours may have this shouldered area. You want to measure this end here, that way you can kind of press it on in where it meets a little resistance inside the hole. What I'm going to do is take it to the wire wheel and deburr this a little bit. You'll want a decent flat surface. But there you go, it crushes that little nutsert in there, and it's in there nice and snug. You can see a little bit of the impression right there on the top, but that's going to be covered with whatever you attach to it. But that's how I make my little nutsert tool. I drilled the hole in this 5/16, so I could go as big as 5/16. These nutserts were 1/4 inch. As you can see, they were easy to install and they didn't slip around. And if you don't need all of the other tools, this is a good alternative for you to try out. Well, hey guys, I do appreciate you coming by the shop today. And as always, this is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.